This video is titled Taking My Supercar Collection to McDonald's. Now, why would he flex on him like that, bro? Come on now, man. Come on, man. We about to check it out, man. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. If you like the video, comment down below anything you want me to know. Without further ado, about to get into the video, man. Let's check it out, man. Let's see what he's talking about.
Like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back. Well, today is a day we've been wanting to do for so long. We're taking all the cars out for a Sunday afternoon drive. I have all my knucklehead friends. My insurance agent is not going to be appreciative of this, but we're driving all the cars up north. We're going to be hanging out with a couple players from the Utah Jazz today. Should be a good day. We're back, baby. We're back. Please tell me you have a change of clothes. You're wearing the Donovans right now.
I brought them just in case, bro.
Just in case. We love the Jazz. We are pro Jazz, but this is unacceptable. Come on, I got a spare change of clothes inside. There is air conditioning in the Murcielago, but you can't use it. Sorry, bro. That's the price of a V12 Lamborghini.
My back is already all sweaty.
I know.
Boy, I got like buku Lambos.
So none of the V12 Lamborghinis get air conditioning. The Urus, you see it. Hey, it's so hot. We're fine. You're in the Urus. This guy. This is gonna be crazy today. I'm nervous, guys.
I know his friends excited.
They're all starting in unison. There's a rhythm to it. Go. I wonder who's gonna get pulled over today. Probably me or Johnny. Johnny, definitely Johnny. Definitely. Happy birthday, Johnny! Yeah! Get it!
Dang, that sucker clean.
I'm gonna have to have a pep talk with all my drivers. They're all driving like grandma. Nobody can keep up with me. Right? They need to do flybys for you guys and for me as well. So we're gonna get gas, probably the most expensive gas fill of my entire life. Say that again, Johnny.
I was like, there's two gas tanks. Which side can I fill it?
No, oil's on one side, gas is on the other side. We need to make sure that we're right on that 100% of the time. And unfortunately for you, they're gonna have to do a flip. Oh. Yeah, sorry, it's on that side. There's only one man
That's crazy.
waltzing out like this with his dad's sandals with a wait. No way. Really?
Dude, I know what
no,
you like.
my guy.
I know you.
Did I ever tell you how much I love you and I support you? I love the new look. The new and improved Stefan.
That's right, I'm a dad now.
I definitely should not do this, but this is the most appropriate time ever. Every single decision I've made in my entire life has led me to this moment in time with all the homies. Oh my gosh.
That's fire, though.
Before we get in trouble. This is so ridiculous. How cool is this?
That
to have
is.
the whole
That's
squad
fire.
rolling together. We're going to hang out with the Utah Jazz today. Like, how did this happen? When you think about life, how are we hanging out with the Utah Jazz?
That's what you do when you money right.
It's a rhythm, go, 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 go. 8,000 to infinity and beyond. That was 5-5. This color palette is unreal. That Mercy looks so good. Look at that thing. What? There's gonna be a lot of back sweat from the crew. Oh my gosh, I hope we don't get demonetized. We made it, and it appears that all the cars are in one piece. The Urus, we don't know where it is, so we're not entirely sure. You're dry as a clam. I know. He's dry as could be. ACC. What? Air conditioning. Okay. Found it. Oh, that's a lot of moisture, Clayton. Johnny Sharp, how was the bug? How was it?
I didn't cry when my children were born, but when 4 turbos spool up, tears just start coming out. Don't tell my wife. Don't tell my wife.
No. This is obviously, nobody's going to see this video. This is just between me and you. This is a family home video, right? Yeah. We're a family. You've been holding those shorts for a long time. You can go put them on.
I'm going to go around
Over 11 million people have seen the video.
I'm going to walk around the corner. You're going to see my high socks with these on.
Perfect.
I think they have a bathroom.
Yeah, I don't know why you're going to go in the bushes, bro.
This is a big house.
This is a neighborhood. Salt Lake City Fire Department showed up because we have a flamethrower. No, South Davis. Yeah, forget Salt Lake. South Davis. Are we good for a little flame show?
Sure.
Safety? This never happens. This is money. How bad? We're good. So I brought a bunch of my knucklehead friends in all my cars, and somehow, someway, even in my pink shorts, I have been outclassed. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Royce O'Neal, 6'7". Bro, my God, dude.
Royce O'Neal, man. We'll pull up in a Rolls Royce.
Are you kidding me? What?
That's
and
crazy.
He's got the SpongeBob socks.
Bro, I just want to know when we're gonna get you one of these.
NBA
It says
player Royce
Bugatti.
O'Neal,
Can you imagine?
man.
Bugatti man? You with the Bugatti necklace on. Okay.
That Bugatti
it's coming to
hard,
the channel
though,
soon.
bro.
Maybe that's the gift. Maybe that's what I get you. It's a Bugatti.
maybe.
So that everybody knows, every girl you talk to knows that you have a Bugatti. I need a little bit of advice. I'm trying to find a girlfriend.
Okay.
What, give me one piece, just one piece of advice. Anything.
Be yourself.
Be myself, my guy. Be myself. That's the best advice. Be myself. I love that. Why would you guys tell me that?
Self isn't.
Yeah.
Getting a job done.
Then what would you guys? These guys know myself, and they're slightly disappointed.
Self is a C+. How do you get them to a solid B?
I mean, just take the girl and drive for that.
Is that the way to do it, though? You take a girl out in the Rolls Royce, though? Isn't that too hard of a flex?
No, I have.
You have? You see, I kind of saved the bug for maybe like the second or third date. I mean, this is hypothetically, if there ever was a second or a third date. Hypothetically. Royce is like, all right, it's time for us to go. This Cullinan is the coolest Cullinan I've ever seen. Like, all the little details. We're talking 26-inch 4G autos. It's got the red Spirit of Ecstasy, the red badge, and all the red innards on that white grille. This thing is money. Bro. Red interior to match. This is such a sick Cullinan. But this has a V12. Could you rev it real quick? Maybe?
I mean, it's not gonna be as loud, you know, as a sports car, you know, but it's hey, meet me on the highway.
We can change that. I know a guy who does exhaust. We could change that. Or maybe you need a sports car.
You get a sports car. I'm gonna keep this one, you know.
Lamborghini maybe?
I don't know.
So how tall are you?
6'7".
6'7", in a Bugatti Veyron. This is a critical moment in your life. Because if you fit in this car, you're getting one, right?
Yeah, about that. I don't know about that.
We don't know about that. Okay, maybe. That's a maybe. We're going to call that a maybe. That's not bad. What size shoes are those, bro?
Size 13.
13. Okay. Dude, it fits. You're good. Whoa. You're just starting it up. You're taking off. That's it.
I might take it for you.
4 turbos, 1001
He kind of look like Paul George a little bit.
I ain't never drove nothing like this before.
You can take it for test drive right now if you want. Right now.
They sound good.
I like the way this sounds.
Couple baby revs, just little baby rev. The Urus is amazing, but there's something about a Rolls Royce Starlight. I look gorgeous right now. This is the tender shot. Hey, Luke, tender shot right now. This is the shot. This is what they all do with the Starlight headliner. Is that the smile? Insert picture now. And just like that, the greatest advice I've ever gotten, just be yourself.
That's all you gotta do.
See ya, bro. Don't hit the car. You T-boned by a Tacoma. Could you imagine? That would end the video. Yeah, that would be one way to end it. Dude, those 26s. Bro, your donk, you better have bigger than 26s.
Oh, wait, dude.
28 by 8.5.
Pizza
cutters.
We're getting technical.
Yeah.
Dude, I did not see myself making the Tinder joke with Royce O'Neal today. When I woke up this morning, I did not think I would be asking advice on dating from Royce O'Neal. Just be
missed that.
yourself. You didn't miss that?
No, is that what he said?
Yeah, if yourself.
And then he said, if all else fails, be somebody else. Sorry, that ain't working.
He's known you for how long?
True. Okay, that makes a good point. I just want to take a moment to say how blessed I am. These are 5 of my 7 best friends right here. And look how gorgeous they are. They're beautiful. One at a time. Let's see your best trick. Johnny, you're first, son. Hey-oh. Hey, how's it been? It's like a butterfly. Oh, no. Oh, what? What was that?
He about to kill himself.
Well, that was an amazing day, but you know what I think would make the day just a tad bit better, just a smidge better, would be 1,001 horsepower, 4 turbos, and a McFlurry. Whoa. Feel the power. Feel the power. The Roadster is fun. There's just something about a Bugatti evening in the summer here in Utah. Oh, yes. Here we go, fellas. Come on, Clayton. Give us the word. Oh, baby. Yes, this car looks so crazy. It looks so safe. Go. Kansas and the Artemis. Look at those 2 colors. Are you kidding me? I'm shaking
That's
right now.
fire,
They
man.
look so fun. They look so fun. What? I'm losing my mind right now. This is so sick. Look at that guy. Is that Stefan?
What you doing? About to fall out of the truck to get a video shot.
So good. So good. Look at that thing. What in the world? Come on, yes.
crazy. Boy, you crazy.
There's a link. Link it. Let's do this. Oh, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Look at him. Let's go. Go, go.
Look at that.
Bugatti fast, bro.
But you've seen some beautiful shots.
That Bugatti
sunset
faster than
is
all them
gorgeous,
vehicles.
But there may be nothing more gorgeous than the double golden arches of Mickey D's. It's time to eat, boys. Fellas, I think this right here might be the greatest McDonald's drive-thru moment we've ever had.
Then these people like, what in the world? Look at all those millionaires outside.
This is ridiculous. This is insanity.
That is
There's
ridiculous.
nothing better than some chicken nuggies and a McFlurry with the squad. This is so crazy, guys. Like, when I think back, every single decision I've ever made, we're here at McDonald's with the whole squad getting nuggies.
Can I add 2 McDoubles, Mills?
Hard work paid off,
The
man.
license plate.
What do you mean?
My license plate on the Corvette, McDouble.
Oh, McDouble.
We're missing the
Wow,
McDoubles,
bro. Always difficult. You're getting yourself in a Bugatti, and now you just have to make change to the order. That's what he does. Oh, Stefan is a happy man. Not because he's driving the Bugatti. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. I won't chop it. I'll cradle like a baby. I'll cradle it. Thought you had the door open because you were trying to flex. It's because the windows won't roll down. Sorry, bro. Ow! Oh! I just took it in the upper thigh. Wow, Clayton. This guy. Something about a pink Lamborghini. Bro. Hey, what's up with this holdup? This is taking forever.
I thought the concept pulled up. That's him playing around with this tag on speed.
Absolutely. Stefan gave me these. I've been holding for an hour.
Wow, that mean I can keep them?
Yes.
Cool.
See ya.
See ya. Are you walking home?
Yeah, I'll
Okay,
come.
good
See ya.
luck. See ya.
Thanks. Bye. Bye, friends. Oh! It's Stefan's dad's test. He's got the folded arms and socks. He's got one tippy toe kind of. Oh, hey, bro. You really own that dad look.
I'm just ready to go on like a road trip with my kids.
Yes, you are. Summertime with Stefan. I like the merch.
Hey, you said I couldn't be a jazz fan girl, so I'll be a Strad fan girl.
For all the Strad fangirls, we have a snooze. I just touched your. Wow. I just touched.
W video, man. W video. W friend. That's crazy. That gotta be lit, boy. Go with all your friends and your supercars. That's lit, boy. Like this video if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time, we gone.